5 minutes that will change the next 10 years of your career. Hi, my name is Guan Zhang. Today, I'm gonna share some of my personal idea with you. Have you ever thought that why sometimes when we have to do something that we never did before, we always hope there is someone can support us to give us the information or tell us the answer, or even show us what to do, how to do, or why we are gonna do like this or like that. Why? Because we don't want to waste our life. It means our life, right? And because everyone just has the same 24 hours a day in the same way, right? So our life is limited, and we don't want to waste our life. And have you ever bought any paid software in your life? Or even just like download some free apps on your smartphone? And sorry, so does it constantly reminding you that the app is needed to update, and after every 6 months or 1 year they will announce that their software is gonna go into the next best version? And by the way, it usually means that you got to pay them money again, right? So I think the life is just like that, and you are just like a very unique software, and we all are just like a very unique software. And if you don't want to be eliminated in the software industry, what should you do? I think you got from the huge, big, small, even subtle improvement constantly, then you are safe, you are fine, right? And after every maybe half year, 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, or even 10 years, when all the subtle improvement fit together, then it will make what we call the better version of you, right? And when you get in the best version, it means somebody else have to pay you more, just like the software company does, right? So like I say, when it was in 2016, I was so lucky because I had the opportunity to connect to the people who is called Joey Sturgis, and I thought he must be the best of the best metal music mixer on the planet. And at that time, he just started to release his online mixing course, and I have self-taught for over 4 years to 5 years, and I got nothing, because every time I think I know everything, but actually I know nothing. But I start to learn from him just through around the 2 courses. One is called the Studio Pass, and another is mixing and mastering. It only took me 3 months to learn through, and guess what? I got the result what I want to get, and my mixing works almost meets the industry standard. It's really incredible to me. So that's what I say. Learning is so important, and it should be the work of your lifetime. So this is all what today I have for you. And if you would like to learn more about music production, tips and tricks, and mixing techniques, or if you think this video is gonna help you, please click the like button, share this video, and comment below. Show me your thoughts, let me know your feedback. Then I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.